is we're going to be factory resetting a Cisco 3560 switch and document the steps. So as you can see, this is a 3560. I don't know the password. I might know the password. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is unplug the power, right? And first remove all of the Ethernet cables. Then we're going to unplug the power, and then we're going to reapply power while holding the mode button. Now that mode button is on the left hand side of the switch. It's on the left hand side of the switch. So we're going to hold it, I think, until the light starts blinking amber. So let me get to it. And you already eat something? Why are you going to eat all the cheese? Don't eat on one like this. All right, let me see. Switch 1. All right, we're going to cut it off. And we're going to hold the mode button, reapply power. Right, so the SYST light is blinking. I'm also trying to see what the console cable is doing. All right, so now it's starting to go amber. It's starting to blink amber. Now it's nothing at all. It's no blinking at all. Right? So I'm gonna let it go, and we're gonna see what happens. Let me see. I'm plugged into the console. Bam. See, there it is. Flashy knit. The system has interrupted. Just had to take a coffee break, make me some coffee chat. You know, I'm here about coffee. Alright, let's save this. Right. Up in here. So we'll have that. Alright, flashy knit. So that initializes the flash. Once again, if you like what you see and you see what you like, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and also if you want to be notified for our new videos, make sure you check that too. Alright, so let me do a directory of the flash. I think you need a colon. Right, so wow, I didn't already abuse this thing a bunch of times. So alright, so we're gonna delete this. Normally I would rename this so we could if we needed to save it, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete all of this config old, all of that. I'm gonna delete that because it's just taking up space. Delete flash colon config dot text dot rename mid. Yeah. All right. So then now we're gonna delete flash config dot old. Not gonna need that, right? Now we're gonna go ahead and delete flash config dot text. And then we're gonna delete this VLAN database. This VLAN dat right there. Shit. Just trying to speed this up. Right, and then we're gonna do a dir flash just to check again, make sure those files are gone. I don't know, this thing ain't going nowhere. That ain't going nowhere for some reason, but whatever. All right, and then we're gonna reboot. So that'll recreate those files, and then we should be right in there. And this is switch 1. I'm gonna do this for all of the devices in the lab, so that we can get ready to start doing labs towards the CCNA certification. I seen this one lab where a person just configs everything that needs to be done brand new. So I'm gonna try that. We're gonna try that, chat. See how that goes. We're gonna mark the steps down, and we're gonna just build a network from scratch as one giant overall lab, and then we're gonna take that and break it down into pieces so that we'll have like a piece together, like a lab in pieces. Like first we build the core, the edge, and then the distribution layer, or something like that. We'll figure it out along the way. But as long as we're touching on all of the subjects that we're supposed to be touching on for the lab, that's what counts. That's what matters. So you can see, right, this is a 3560, a 24 port. Press return to get started. Would you like to enter? We're going to go ahead and configure that. Oh, my bad. My bad. I'm tripping. Enable pass. Yeah. I'm just going to use the same pass on all of them. Host name. This is switch 1, which is SW1. There it is. Right, and there we go. We've reset this switch to factory. Now it has just a base config on it, and it's all ready to be reconfigured how we like it in the lab. We verified our factory reset process. We're going to save that, factory reset, remove all, unplug the power, reapply the power, hold on until the light stop flashing. Flashing it, dirt flash, delete these 2 files, check again, verify the files have been deleted, and then reboot, and we're good to go. Once again, family, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to check out our future videos, our upcoming videos as we go on our journey towards CCNA, CCNP, CCIE. If you'd like to collaborate with us, use the lab, do some labs with us. I'm going to be accepting like 5 or 6 students that we can lab together. Please reach out to me on email or on social media or something like that. Let me know you want to be one of those folks, and we'll get together, set the parameters, set some dates and times, and then we'll just move on and keep marching towards our journey. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Keep chasing those packets, you packet chase.